Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix trunk latch on Hyundai Elantra, full guide. Start by disconnecting the battery, opening the trunk manually, and inspecting the latch and actuator for rust or broken clips. Remove the inner trunk panel using a flathead and a 10 mm socket, then test the actuator with 12V if needed. Reassemble using new clips or a replacement latch and test the trunk several times before driving. In this video, I will show how to fix trunk latch on Hyundai Elantra, full guide. First, test the latch movement and the electrical connector for continuity with a multimeter. Lubricate moving parts with silicone spray and replace worn striker or latch if movement is stiff. If actuator fails, remove it, bench test with 12V, then replace with OEM or aftermarket part and retest the locking and remote release functions. In this video, I will show how to fix trunk latch on Hyundai Elantra, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you want better money habits, pick up The Simple Path to Wealth. It changed how I think about saving, and it pairs well with DIY savings from car repairs. If you like this guide, please subscribe and like for more automotive tips and tricks. Check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fix trunk latch on Hyundai Elantra, full guide. Check trunk alignment by measuring gaps and adjusting the striker position with the trunk closed and an assistant to guide you. Tighten mounting bolts to specified torque and ensure weather stripping is not obstructing the latch path. Test keyless entry, manual release, and safety features until the trunk closes smoothly every time. Replace worn seals to prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.